Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix slow downloading on Google Chrome, and I will show you this in 4 steps. The first step is type in the bar, write down // and then do flex, enter it, search for parallel downloading, just right here, and then click on default and change this one to enabled. Then please relaunch the app. Then the second step is go to the 3 dots, go to extensions, manage extensions, and delete as many extensions that is possible because these extensions will slow down your downloading. Then we click this one away, we go to the search bar and search for run and do enter. Then we type in ncpa.cpl, click on OK, and right now we click right mouse click on Ethernet, properties. Right now we go to Internet Protocol version 4, properties, use the following DNS server address and then write down 111.1.1.1001 and please do OK. Right now close this, we go here to the bottom again and search for CMD and do enter. Right now we need to write down here ipconfig/flush DNS, do enter, and right now we need to restart our PC, and after that your Google Chrome will download real quicker. Alright, if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.